If you have an 09 to 18 Ram, like this one behind me, and you've got the mirror lights like this, they're either worn out, burnt out, or they just don't work. Morimoto just launched a brand new product. This right here is the Morimoto XB mirror lights. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install it and what they look like compared to stock. The original mirror lights on this Ram didn't even work on the driver's side. So when you open it up, it didn't even have a puddle light. But the original puddle lights weren't that bright to begin with. Not to mention, the turn signal was laughable. There was only 3 LEDs on the front, you could hardly tell it was on. No sequential feature, just a standard on, off, on, off. Morimoto blows away this with their sequential turn signal. That's where it has this scrolling effect. And in my opinion, it looks so much better and really lets your Ram stand out from the crowd. Now, not only that, but your original lens was a clear lens and it had this chrome look on the inside. Now, it's not terrible, but the smoke look from Morimoto just makes it that much better. The Morimoto XB mirror lights have a UV resistant polycarbonate lens. It's going to last for the life of the vehicle. They have an OEM Plus look, which means that they're not just some cheap Amazon mirror light. These are a name brand mirror light, and they're completely 100% plug and play. Let's show you that now. All you're gonna need is a flathead screwdriver like this, or a pry tool, and a T20 Torx. Only use hand tools. This is a mirror, it's really fragile, we just gotta be careful. Let's first remove the mirror. We're gonna push down here on the bottom. You don't have to do this, I'm just gonna move it out so you can see a little bit better. We're gonna push the mirror down, just like that. We're gonna use our fingers to pry it out just a little bit, and then we'll take the pry tool. There we go. The 2 plastic tabs on the back side lock into here and here. Now, all you gotta do is pull this up and out. There you go. Now, to give yourself a little more room, I'm gonna remove the entire mirror itself. You got these 2 little tabs right here we're gonna remove first. This goes to your heated lens. We're just gonna unplug it really quick. And then this right here, I'm just gonna slide it out of the groove by pulling it forward, just like that. And then you can go and unplug it. All you gotta do is push this middle tab down and then pull it away. All right, now grab your T20 Torx bit just like this. Again, we're just using hand tools. Last thing we wanna do is strip this out. We have 3 T20 screws to remove. Let's do that now. Got one here, got one here, and one more up here. It's a little bit more hard to see. Just be careful because you could drop this one. And there you are. You're almost there already. We got this black plastic trim we're gonna pull back. We don't have to remove it. We're just gonna pull it back a little bit, just enough to get this to move down. And then there's one tab we're gonna slide to the side. It's right here. Slide it over and pull the mirror light down, and it should be good to go. Now we're just gonna unplug it up here. I'll show you that. It's got that black plastic tab right here. We're gonna pry it up and pull this free. Now grab your Morimoto XB mirror light. Thankfully they marked it. If you look on the back side, it says LH, that's left hand. So we're gonna put the LH on the driver's side. Let's plug it in, put it all back together. As you can see, that's starting to fit really good. Let's put this black plastic trim back on real quick. Put the 3 Torx back in. Do not over tighten these Torx screws. This is just plastic. The last thing we wanna do is crack the housing. Now grab your mirror and plug it in. Boom. That is all it takes to upgrade these side mirror lights. Now, if you want to see what else we've done, check out our YouTube channel. We have gone front to back on this thing and upgraded the headlights, tail lights, reverse lights, interior lights, and so much more. We've done shootouts to find the best LED bulbs for your vehicle. If you want to see what else we have on our website, go to headlightrevolution.com, type in your year, make, and model, and you'll see everything there.